Most businesses you will ever find online who you will approach on Instagram or on wherever to go outreach to them, most businesses that you go outreach to online, they do not have an established copywriter. They do not have an established marketer. There's prime opportunity for you to enter the door and start writing their copy. And why would a business owner hire a copywriter if they don't already have one, right? Well, if they don't have one, why would they want one? If they want to make more money and they're trying to grow, they want one. Trust me. You just have to get your foot in the door and show them that you can make them more money and make it happen, right? Those guys who are in like the 50 to 100K mark per month, they're actively trying to hire. They can't get to 100K without hiring help. So these guys are ready to invest money to grow. They're probably working 12-hour days and they need someone to take stuff off their plate. So they hire customer service, they hire an executive assistant or a virtual assistant, they hire sales, they hire admin, they hire copywriter, they hire someone who's gonna maybe help with automation, right? This is where you can come in and get your foot in the door because these guys are working 12-hour days trying to grow. They're trying to outsource and find people they can trust. That's you. You can get your foot in the door and start working with these guys. And you know what? If they already have a copywriter, I'm coaching a guy right now who's going after a company, who's landing a client. He's in the middle of that. He's going to get this client. This client already has a copywriter, but they're not doing enough. So he's actually going to be joining as a second copywriter. So there's lots of different situations where you can be the only copywriter. You can work with other copywriters. You can be the senior and junior copywriter kind of situation. There's guys who like companies who are trying to grow and expand. They have a copywriter who's going to become the CMO. They need a new copywriter to take over their stuff. Like there's copywriters who are working with companies and then they go level up from them because they are just growing and taking on higher paying guys. And people need a junior copywriter to come in and take their spot. So like there's more than enough. Just remember this. There's 360 million businesses on earth. 360 million businesses on earth. Most of those guys want to make more money. Copywriting is one of the easiest ways to start making a business more money, which means there's endless demand. There's no shortage. There's no saturation. You can go in and just go show up in front of people and show them how you can help them. And you're going to land clients and make them more money. It's very straightforward.